it's replenishing the gas into this disk system. And we don't see that process going on in our planetary system. It's hard to kind of get in your head.
The mystery of what holds together the rings around 49 Ceti raises some intriguing questions. Questions conventional science struggles to answer.
When we can't explain what we see with what we know, we have to start explaining with what we don't know.
Perhaps the most extraordinary idea for what the rings could be comes from the realm of science fiction. The concept of a giant ring-shaped world surrounding a star was first proposed by novelist Larry Niven.
Larry Niven's original ring world concept would take the material of some useless planets and use them to pound out a ribbon that surrounds a star, and this ribbon is kept inflated by centrifugal force, resulting in millions of times more useful surface area for a civilization, being able to support trillions of people. So it's a fascinating concept.
The idea of another civilization building a ring world around 49 Ceti is humbling for humanity. Our nearest planet is still beyond our reach.
Any civilization that would be capable of making probably tens of millions of years ahead of us in technological superiority.
Although the ring world idea is compelling, scientists must first rule out natural phenomena. For 17 years, the strange star remains unexplained, until Zuckerman comes up with a new theory, that something truly extraordinary is providing the gas to make the rings.
In 2012, we attributed its existence to the collisions of an incredible number of comet-like objects. We estimated that there have to be something like 100 trillion or more comets orbiting around the star, and that the comets could be colliding, say, every 10 seconds. And that's how this gas that we discovered in 1995 is being produced.
The rate of collisions is astounding. It's hard to kind of get in your head that things could be colliding.
It was going to turn out to be.
The star is surrounded by two enormous rings.
One of the rings has a radius, I think, of about 1 billion miles. The other one's 2 or 3 times that size farther out. And so these are rings that are occurring in places where you would expect planets to form.
For an astronomer, the obvious conclusion would be that the rings are made up of dust and gas, which often encircle young stars. After years of observation, Zuckerman discovers that 49 Ceti is not young at all.
The star is about 40 or 50 million years old, which makes it the oldest star we know of with these dusty debris disks. Once a star gets older, about 5 million years, most of the gas that's orbiting in these disks dissipates, and dust particles either get blown away from stars or they spiral into the stars.